Hi, boys and girls. I wanted to upload a video of me doing the sound chart so that you can do it at home also. So repeat after me. A, apple, A. B, balloon, B. C, car, K. D, duck, D. E, elephant, E. F, fish, F. G, gumble, G. H, horse, H. I, igloo, I. J, jacket, J. K, koala, K. L, leaf, L. M, mouse, M. N, net, N. O, octopus, ah. P, pear, P. Q, queen, qu. R, rainbow, S, saw, S. T, truck, T. U, umbrella, V, violin, V. W, whale, W. X, X-ray, X. Y, yarn, Y. And Z, zebra, Z. Good job. And don't forget, the vowels have two sounds. They make the short sound and the long sound, okay? All right, bye.